In this video, I will tell you how to fix the boot up issue or the graphics or lag issue in the MS Marvel's Studio. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So what you guys actually have to do is to actually go to the MS Configure tab on the type in MS Configure in the Windows search bar and click System Configuration. Go to the boot tab and select Advanced option. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that so you guys can see it. So go to the system configuration, and in the system configuration, go to boot tab, and in the boot tab, go to the advanced option. Here you will see number of processors that are allocated right now. You can minimize it or limit it according to your need. So what you have to do is to now select four processor less than the maximum numbers. For example, if your CPU has 8 maximum, just go ahead and select 4. So that way it will work optimizely. So the next step is the next step is pretty easy and simple. What you have to do is to make sure that you run the program on the compatibility mode for the Windows 8 and you run it as an administrator. These options are very necessary in order to fix it. And third thing is make sure that you check the integrity of the game files by going to the Steam and then go to the game files option and just click on the verify integrity of the game files. And the next step is very simple. Adjust in game settings, go in the game settings, switch to DLS, to TAAU and adjust the render to something that suits your requirement. Limit the FPS to 120. And once you have done that, the issue will be fixed. So this is it. I hope you find it pretty helpful. Take care. Bye bye.